In this video, I'm going to show you a great little tool called Autodraw. It's for anyone who wants to get a quick little image or picture, but you don't really have the artistic skills to be able to render one. So here we go. First things first, we'll go to autodraw.com. When I arrive at Autodraw, we'll see a variety of icons here on the left side. We'll go through all of those in just a moment. The first one I want to point out to you is this one called Autodraw, the second icon. On the left, we'll see a few different icons. I want to start with the second one here that says Autodraw. Since Autodraw is powered by Google's AI, when I draw a line out in the middle on the canvas, we'll see along the top that the AI is asking me if I meant to draw one of these pictures. So as I continue to draw the line, we'll notice that the shapes will then begin to change at the top. So let's just say I want this to be a little kettle or a teapot. So just like that, I've got a great little teapot. If I don't want it to be blue, but instead I want it to be another color, I can click on the select icon, which is the first one. I can select the picture that I want to change the color for, and then click on one of the available colors here. So here's a black one, a purple, but let's just leave it as black. If I want to fill in the picture that I've created, there's a fill button right here. I'll select fill. I'll select the color that I want to fill in the picture, and then select an area of the picture that I want to fill. That looks pretty good if you ask me. If I want to move it around, I can then hit the select button, click it and move it to another area, and then begin another drawing. Let's say I want to draw a cup as well to go with the teapot. I'll click Auto Draw and try to make a cup here. Let's see. And look at that. It gave me a nice little cup to go with my teapot. If I made a mistake and I want to delete it, I can click the first icon to select it, click on what I want to delete, then go down to the last icon for the trash can and click delete, and it's gone. If I want to add my name onto the cup, I can easily do so by clicking the T for typing and then clicking inside of the icon and type Wiley. Now that's a little too big, so I can go to the top and I can change the size of the font there and then click select to move it around. As you notice, I also have the ability, if I double click to edit, I also have the ability to be able to change the type of font that I have as well. There's also a couple of other options here that I can click for a shape, for a circle here, or I can change it to a square or a triangle. And it gives me a perfect circle, rectangle, or triangle, or a square if I like. If I don't want to use the auto draw features and I just want to scribble on the paper or on the canvas, I can click on draw, and in this case I'll just be able to draw or scribble onto the canvas without it giving any suggestions here at the top. I also have the undo button, so if I want to get rid of the last few steps that I've done, I can just click the undo button. A couple of last things, if I click on the three lines, I have the ability to have a few different shapes, but if I click on one of these right now, it will start over. There's a rectangle, a square, and then a regular sheet of paper size. I also have the ability to download this entire graphic as a JPEG or a PNG. It'll download it as a PNG to my computer. I can also share it, and it will actually create a web link or a URL that I can click and share it with others. And then there are a few other options for shortcuts. Well, that's it for Autodraw. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and go ahead and subscribe to the channel and consider hitting the little bell so you get notified whenever I post new content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.